Not really.
They speak this way. They talk this way. Da da dee, da da da.
Yeah,
In
that's
São Paulo say da 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 da.
yeah. It's like California. In America, it's like California. They talk slower because they're laid back. They're enjoying.
Exactly the same here.
Yeah. Oh, fighting words. You ready to fight? I want seafood.
Yeah, let's try seafood. Crab.
Yeah.
Fish,
Yeah. Batata fritas.
Batata frita.
All right, so this is what we were looking for, coconut and lime. And we found it, so we're gonna do a taste test later. This is so good. The last one I had at the beach, the lady had a machete, and she cut the top off and gave it to me, which I thought was cool.
Portuguese Ellen. Portuguese Ellen. This is a beer.
Yeah, beer.
Mas bichinho é grande.
Should be bigger.
It should be bigger.
Esse é bem Portuguese Ellen.
You think it should?
Don't fit on you. It's up to you.
Pode vestir. Pode vestir, pode vestir.
Yeah, I'll wear it.
140.
Yes. Yeah. Who's number 7? Number 7. Sete.
Number 7.
Sete.
Yeah, Vini Jr.
No Messi.
No Messi.
Messi é
Não,
argentino.
Messi is Argentino.
Argentina. Yeah.
Messi is good.
Yes.
Cambiar Messi com pra cá pra Argentina que me gusta muito Messi.
Mucho. Okay.
Are you sure? I like it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not tiny.
No, you don't want it too big. You won't be able to fly with it. I'll have to wear it.
Oh, and a fly?
Because you can't fold it.
Quanto com chapéu?
Ó, essa aqui tá
Preço especial.
220 reais, posso conseguir. Tirar 10 reais aqui.
28? 28?
R$200.
Não tem um tamanho.
It's like $30.
Quem teve aqui foi o pai de Michael Jackson.
Really? The
Comprou o
Michael
chapéu
Jackson
desse aqui, ó.
father.
Vou pôr o chapéu na minha mão.
Joe Jackson.
Joe Jackson.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
This is my friend. This
Yeah.
Michael Jackson. Yeah, yeah. With hats, I have hats.
Yeah, he does wear these.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Thank you very much.
Obrigado.
Yeah. Obrigado.
De cashew drink.
What drink?
The fruit.
The fruit, the leaf, the nuts.
Oh yeah, yes.
Like that.
Yeah. No. For mom though. The different types.
Yeah, we can go to Mercadon.
Yeah, not like that.
The guy charges too much for the tea. Like I think.
He charged a total of $35 for the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
If this hat would be $35.60 by itself.
Yeah, but in reais for this t-shirt, it's not real.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah, it's the price for tourists.
Yeah, I know. We call it the gringo price.
Green money.
Gringo price. Yeah, it's always expected. Obrigado. Yeah, we as Americans, we understand when we go somewhere, we get charged more. It's just understood, and that's actually because we can afford it. It's really nothing to us.
The opportunity to have some money extra.
Yeah, it helps out the local economy. So
Yeah, the local.
Aaron likes this right here. That's what Aaron likes. Aaron likes that, babe. Aaron likes that. Yeah. Yeah, that's what he like. That's for you, homeboy, if you watching. Hey, babe, take a picture of me and Aaron. That's me and Aaron. Yeah.
Perfect.
Hold on a second.
The swim outfit.
Oh, okay.
Red. I like it.
I like that dress. The white and blue.
Uh-huh.
Azul.
You like it?
It's nice.